To use the RESCORE metadata catalog, click on the Data menu and then on the Catalog tab. You then access the complete list of metadata records present in the catalog. On the left of the screen, you can filter this data in several ways: by free search, by geographical area, or by using keywords that we predefined. For more information on these search tools, you can go to the online help located in the How To menu. Now let's look at the metadata records. Each card looks the same: a title in blue, a thumbnail related to the project, the summary of the file, the source of the file, and finally orange buttons giving access to different functionalities. Let's now open a form before going back to these buttons. You now have access to all the metadata: the summary in gray, the date of publication, the persons in charge of the data, whom you can contact directly, and lots of other information relating to this data. Let's close this file in order to return to the orange buttons. Depending on the data, different buttons are present. These buttons allow you either to access remote sites associated with the data, or to download the data directly, or to view the data like this, or to view the data on the RESCORE interactive map. The use of the interactive map is described in another tutorial.